Alright, what's up guys, this is Anish Pantha. Hope you guys are doing absolutely fit and fine. Boom. This video is sponsored by LuxuryEscapes, best resistant band in the world. If you want to buy this, then link in the description box and in pinned comment. So go and check it out. So guys, in this video I will show you full abs workout with your body weight. You don't need any gym equipment and you can do it anywhere. So without further ado, let's begin. Hope you guys like our video. If you like, then please like our video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. People guys, love you all, take out. This is Anish Fitness and Anish Fitness behind the camera, over and out. Boom.